Meaning of except.
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 Except. Except is a preposition commonly used to indicate exclusion or exclusionary circumstances. Its primary purpose is to denote an exception to a particular statement or rule. For example, I like all fruits except for bananas means that the person likes every fruit except bananas. In essence, when except is used, it implies that something or someone is not included in a particular group, statement, or action. In short, except denotes exclusion, and when used, the item or individual mentioned after it is excluded from the general statement.